I'm going to show you how to clip your chest strap. So this works for various ergos, tullers, beckos, anything that has a chest strap at the back. Okay, so there's various methods to do it. Either you just start by having your straps quite loose and you strap and clip. You grab your baby. Come here. Whoa. Bring your baby in. Okay, and then basically bring the straps down, baby safe. Go to the towards your neck. Clip. Pull a little bit. Then you're going to grab your arm straps. And that's it, you're good to go. So that's one method. You can also do it by already clipping the chest strap and then bringing your baby in. So we're going to take baby out to show you. So you can already just have your chest strap clipped like this. And then make it loose. Again, you just bring baby in. So you don't have to clip it. And then you just have to tighten the straps. So with tullers, the free to grow and the baby carrier, you don't have the option of crossing the strap or just unclipping here like with this Ergo 360. So you will need to actually close your chest pass at some point before you put the baby in or after you put him in. So it's up to you. But basically the trick is to make the strap loose, clip right behind your neck and then retighten. You can do this by having the baby in or out, depending on what you prefer. Clipping after the baby's in or clipping before the baby goes in. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.